Hey guys, welcome back to the Clove Technology YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Sony Xperia 5 Triple Mark, a compact alternative to the standard flagship. It's currently available at Clove Technologies for £898.99 and is currently on offer to include a free pair of Sony noise cancelling headphones worth a whopping £250, and on top of that, an official style case with a stand. This offer is while stocks last, so get your hands on it while you can. The Xperia 5 Triple Mark comes in a typical smart white box that Sony has used for years. As we open the box, we have the phone wrapped in a little plastic cover and a startup guide. Then we have the 30-watt USB power delivery adapter plug and a USB-C cable to go with it. The Xperia 5 comes with IP65/68 water resistance and dust protection, meaning that it is protected against low water pressure jets from any direction as shown in this clip, and partnered with the cornering Gorilla Glass 6 on the front of the phone, meaning it can endure drops from a whopping 1.6 meters as shown in this drop test, together making it extra robust and resistant to damage. This phone has a 6.1-inch OLED display and 120Hz refresh rate with a standard 1080p resolution, together with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform allows for powerful top-tier performances. You also get 128GB of storage and 8GB RAM, which can be expanded using the micro SD slot. This phone being Android 11 means it has PS4 Remote Play with DualShock 4 compatibility. There is a triple rear camera with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, and a 12-megapixel periscope lens. Then on the front, there is a 8-megapixel selfie snapper. In my opinion, the back cameras show colour very crisp and vibrantly, giving a professional look to the images with the automatic background blur when it is focused on a subject, adding a photographic depth of field effect. I was really impressed by the variations of different cameras, from an ultra-wide lens to a very zoomed-in periscope lens. The front camera is very highly defined and detailed, but unfortunately, I found the colours did not show up so vividly. But this can be changed by enhancing the image in the edit section after the image is taken. Looking at the phone, it has a very tall, slim and sophisticated look. On the right side, it has the SD card slot, then on the top we have the headphone slot, and on the right we have the volume buttons, the on and off button, which is also a fingerprint sensor to unlock the phone. And then a Google Assist button, and a camera button. Then on the bottom we have the charging port. Here we have the front-facing audio dual speakers, which produces a stereo effect. When playing music out loud, I didn't notice the stereo effect so much, but it was still very clear. When using headphones, the stereo effect was a lot more obvious and impressive. In my opinion, this is a really fast, high quality and lightweight phone. It is really easy to navigate. Personally, I have never used a Sony phone before. I didn't have any complications trying to figure things out, so whether you're a Sony professional or this is your first time, I don't have any doubts on it being a smooth process. That's a wrap on today's video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe for more tech content, and we wish you a very Merry Christmas from all of us at Clove Technology.